Hi, this is Luna. Matte or glossy?
I start with a red lip liner. I start with a red lip liner, winging out that eyeliner. Dominica.
Today I'm going to use the blush shade from Lisa Eldridge, and I'm going to use the lip liner, the lipstick and the lip gloss all in the shade blush, starting with the Enhance and Define lip liner and applying it around my lips, kind of following my natural lip line for now, and then do more correction after I filled in the entire lip. And this shade is so beautiful for autumn. I love it to wear it a lot nowadays. And she also came out with a lighter version of this called Blush Lightly. So if you like more lighter lip than this, but like the idea of this, that might be an option for you. And I fill in the entire lip with the lip liner. That way it's not going to move. And I also have the security of having the lip liner underneath the lipstick and the lip gloss. And I'm perfecting the lip shape a bit. And this is individual to your own lip shape, really. So my lip goes a bit down on one side, so I try to make it look as even as I possibly can. And just look at this lipstick. This is so beautiful. I really love this kind of velvet texture that she has on her True Velvet lipstick. And also, I did lip swatch all of my True Velvet lipsticks that I have. So if you're interested in seeing other shades, you can pop over to my Instagram and see that. I have it linked in the description box. And also, my Instagram handle is the same as here on YouTube, Luna Domenica. And I like to apply it with the bullet, straight from the bullet. And then sometimes I like to go in with a lip liner, like now, after I've done the entire lip with the lipstick also, to kind of build up layers. And you can also blot in between to get even longer longevity of the products. And it's very pigmented. Lisa says this is kind of like a crayon, which is actually quite a good observation. It's what it reminds me of, really. And here you can see the matte version. So today's question is, matte or glossy? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. And now in with the gloss. I'm using the Gloss Embrace in blush. And this is such a gorgeous color. I love to wear it on its own, not over lipstick and lip liner, because then it becomes quite more intense, I think. But to just wear it on its own is just beautiful. And I also have swatched all the Gloss Embrace shade that I have over on Instagram, so I'll link to that post also. And here you can see the glossed version. So which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Matte or glossy? That's today's question. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for your time. And as we say in Norway, ha det bra. Mwah.
I start with a red lip liner. I start with a red lip liner, winging out that